Hello students, today's topic is ways to conserve plants. Okay, so see how will you conserve plants. Okay, so different ways are. Now see, first of all you should know the meaning of the conserve. Conserve, that means to preserve or to prevent the loss of something or to save. So we have what you have to do, you have to conserve plants. Okay, now how will you conserve the plants? So conservation of the plants includes a broad group of activities which aim to prevent plants from becoming extinct. Okay, so conservation is very much essential. It prevents plant from becoming extinct. Okay, now what will you do for the prevention of the for the conservation of the plant? What will you do? First thing you should do that do not cut trees. Okay, so you keep in the mind you will not cut trees. Okay, now see this very beautiful diagram is this na, and what you have to do not cut the trees. See, this little boy is saying to you. Okay, so if you want to use the parts of the plant, then which part of the plant should be used? You should use only fallen leaves and branches. Okay, don't cut the trees, only use fallen leaves and branches. Okay, now see, this is beautiful picture, and in this picture you can see that here the plantation is going on. So here everyone is busy in planting trees. Okay, now one question is there, that what is afforestation? Afforestation means to plant a tree. Okay, to plant trees, not a tree, many trees. Okay, so you should plant trees. So afforestation should be promoted. Okay, now see this, this is very nice picture. Now in this picture, see, plant a tree. This picture is telling you that you plant a tree. Okay, so you should plant a tree. Everyone will plant a tree. Okay, now see this, Van Mahotsav. This is very important thing. Van Mahotsav. What is Van Mahotsav? It is a celebration in which everyone is engaged in plantation. Okay, and this is celebrated from the 1st to 7th July every year. So this is the festival of planting trees. Okay, so Van Mahotsav is an annual 1-week tree planting festival in India, and it is celebrated from 1st to 7th July every year. During this event, millions of trees are planted every year. Okay, so celebrate Van Mahotsav every year. Okay, now see, this is very beautiful picture. Here one is the Van Mahotsav, and in the second pic you see small plants are there. in the little hand. Okay, and you see this, that we should plant trees. Okay, we should encourage in the plantation of the trees. Okay, now see, this is very important. Okay, we will plant the trees, but one thing which is very essential, that is the ban of the deforestation. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is the meaning of deforestation? Deforestation means cutting down of the trees. Okay, so we should ban deforestation, and the people who cut down trees should be punished or fined. Okay, so punishment should be there for the people who will cut down the trees. Okay, now see here, efforts need to be made to protect forest from forest fire. So when we will protect the forest from the forest fire, then we can save trees. Okay, now see, this is the recapitulation. See here, what will you do to save the trees or plants? What? Number 1, do not cut trees. Okay, number 2, promote afforestation. Okay, number 3, ban deforestation. People who cut down trees should be punished. Okay, and protect forest against forest fire. Okay, so you will do all these things and you can protect plants. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Plant a tree. Okay, bye bye. Take care.